You know, I think back over the 29 or so years, and I often thought about this particular day, walking Megan down the aisle. Thinking about walking down the aisle in particular, and the man at the end of the aisle, obviously I didn't know who the person would be, what the person would be like. But as Megan grew to become a fine young lady, we began to understand the qualities of a person that she would be looking for to spend her life with. Somebody who was caring, somebody who was a hard worker, somebody who valued his friends and his family, somebody who enjoyed doing things. As a father, I looked for other things. Okay? I looked for somebody who was going to love her, cherish her, protect her, and respect her. Okay? Somebody who would be there for her in the good times and the bad times. Megan is an intelligent, bright young woman, full of passion, full of love for her friends and her family. Is a hard worker, enjoys doing things, and I think Ryan and Megan are a very good match for each other. I'm sure he's looking for somebody, and I'm sure Megan is that person who he can trust and be comfortable knowing that in the good times and the bad times, Megan will be there to support him, and vice versa. I ask you all to join me in wishing Ryan and Megan many years of wonderful marriage and happiness, and best of luck in the future.
It is my honor and privilege to introduce to you your brand new bride and groom. Put your hands together for Mr. and Mrs. Ryan.
What I really learned from Ryan is what it means to be family. Ryan taught me the true meaning of forgiveness. He taught me patience and friendship. Most importantly, though, I learned by watching him live it from his actions and not just his words. And Megan, I know that as your husband, he will always do what's best for you and your future family together. I'm so happy for what the future holds for the both of you, as this is just the beginning of so much.